Gentlemen, very good evening from the flight deck. My name is Christoph Krüger, and together with your captain Miklos Pekos, we would also like to welcome you on board of this Wizzair flight from Malaga to Vienna. First of all, let me apologize for the late boarding of our plane. Unfortunately, we were coming late from Vienna. Due to a strike of the French air traffic controller, we were not allowed to start our engines in Vienna, and we had to wait there for a prolonged time.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vienna Airport, where the local time is 45 minutes past midnight. For your own safety, please remain seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening from the flight deck. My name is Christoph Krüger, and together with your captain Miklos Pekos, we would also like to welcome you on board of this Wizzair flight from Malaga to Vienna. First of all, let me apologize for the late boarding of our plane. Unfortunately, we were coming late from Vienna. Due to a strike of the French air traffic controller, we were not allowed to start our engines in Vienna, and we had to wait there for a prolonged time. And then we rerouted our flight via Africa, so it took us a little bit longer to reach the destination Malaga. Unfortunately, this night we are not lucky. We are facing the same problem again, due to the fact that our routing is crossing via the French airspace and they are on strike. It looks like we are allowed to start our engines in 1 hour from now. As everybody is on board already and the doors are closed, we had the possibility to send a so-called ready message, which means whenever one aircraft is not ready to start, we will get this slot and we get an improvement. We could get an improvement any second from now. So we are hoping the best that we can go any minute from now. But worst case scenario is 1 hour from now. Anyhow, feel free to use the toilets, so we will release the seatbelt sign. If you need something to drink, please talk to the cabin crew on board. And we will do our best in order that we come here as soon as possible towards to Vienna. The good news is flight time tonight only 2 hours 45 minutes. We will have a strong tailwind on the way to Vienna.
Vienna Airport where the local time. It's 45 minutes past midnight. For your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign be switched off and the aircraft has come to its final parking position. Please open the overhead compartments carefully and check the seat pockets in front of you for any personal belongings that you may have brought with you. Thank you for complying with our non-smoking policy. We would like to remind you that smoking will be allowed only designated smoking area from outside the terminal building. Please keep electronic devices in flight mode until we open the doors. Captain Berkesh, Miklos and the entire crew, thank you for flying with Wizzair today. We hope you enjoyed the flight with us and look forward to see you soon on board of our aircraft. Until then, we wish you a pleasant stay in Vienna, and for those of you on your return journey, we'd like to welcome you home.